So, hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, in this video, we will talk about related to array. Okay, I have already made a video, I have already recorded a video related to array. Okay, so I have discussed that how many types of array we can create using a new array constructor or simple static array. Okay, and already discussed some methods post pop shift and shift. Okay, and there are a lot of things we have already discussed. Okay, so you can watch that video. Okay, and in this video we will discuss how many ways, okay, that array we can iterate. Yeah, array we can find the elements inside the whatever the element inside the array. So how many ways that we can find the element, we can iterate the array. Okay, so how many ways we can iterate array? So first we can iterate simple for loop. simple simple for loop means what? Like for sorry, and that is a syntax. Okay, and let I is equal to 0, I less than a double r ay array length, and I plus plus. This is the simple array, simple for loop to iterate the array. Okay, second we can use for in loop. Okay, to iterate. Okay, and we can also use for of loop. Okay, for in and for of loop to iterate. Okay, how to use we will discuss. And okay, and then we can use for each method. For each method we can use to iterate array. We can use while loop to iterate. We can use do while loop to iterate the array. Okay, so we can use simple for loop. This is the simple for loop. Okay, so we can use simple for loop. Okay, we can use for in loop, we can use for of loop, we can use for each, we can use while, and we can use do while loop. Okay, to iterate the array. Okay, so first we are using for loop. Okay, simple for loop. So let declare array one array. You can use new array like that. Okay, or you can declare directly. So you can declare 10 elements: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 element. Okay, and I want to iterate using simple for loop. Okay, so for, okay, here let I equal to 0, I less than arr array dot length length and I plus plus. Okay, so we can find con sol console dot log and arr index I. Okay, so we can find the element 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so that is running. Okay, so this is executing. It is taking much time. No problem. So we are using online tool now. So that's why it is taking too much time. Okay, that might be. Uh, let's change the network. Okay, so that it will work. So here I have changed in my network. Okay, so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many element? That is, we can use a simple for loop. Okay, this is the simple for loop. Okay, to iterate, and I want to use next. Okay, so using simple for loop, I want to find the greatest element. Okay, so what number is the greatest in the array? 9. Okay, so what do you need to do? You can think your logic. Okay, otherwise you can check here. Let previous prev. So whatever the number is, previous number. Okay, whatever the number means, what I'm saying, that ये और ये दोनों एक नंबर आएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हियर प्रीवियस मीन्स ए आर आर. ओके, आई. ओके, and if, okay, a r r I greater than previous. Okay, previous. So what will happen? Add previous is equal to arr I. ओके, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम ये फाइंड कर, ये लॉजिक लिख रहे हैं कि इसमें से सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है. सबसे बड़ा नंबर 9 है. ओके, सो हम लॉजिक लिख रहे हैं, थिंक लॉजिक. ओके, तो अभी यार आई यहाँ पे तो हर बारी क्या करेगा, यार आई में असाइन कर देगा. तो हमें एक बार और ये करना पड़ेगा. क्या? इफ आई इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, आई इज इक्वल टू 0, देन आई इज इक्वल टू 0, देन प्रीवियस में असाइन हो जाए. ठीक है, तो अब हम यहाँ पे फाइंड करते हैं प्रीवियस वैल्यू. ओके, इफ अब हमने जो वट एवर वी हैव स्टडीड इफ एल्स, so that we are using na if else statement here. Okay, so you can think whatever we have studied if else for loop, and that we are using to write the logics. Okay, and how to write the logics using that whatever you have learned. So you can, if you are a beginner, so you can watch and you can try to understand. Okay, so here previous prev, what is saying, unexpected token internal compilation error. Okay, that is the for loop. So previous is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. So here I, otherwise else here I means here I, what is uh, previous. Okay, so I think no need to add na here. Let's here if. Okay, if here I a previous is equal to 0, so here I. Okay, so previous that previous is printing 1 2 3. Okay, previous 0 ARI greater than previous. So every time it's printing na. I don't want to print this if AR I is equal to ARR dot th length, then this will print. Okay, so here I is equal to 0, I plus plus, so I is equal to ARR dot length would be uh, means I would be ARR length 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So every time, so I is equal to ARR length 9. So I preview is not coming. ARR dot length. console console dot log 8. Okay, 8. So I plus 1. Okay, I 8. ARR length is also 8 na. Control R, Control C. ARR length is also 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here I plus 1. Okay, so you can see here the text element we are finding 9. Okay, so here GREATEST greatest ELEMENT element of the array. Okay, and so it is greatest element. You can see greatest element. You can here remove this one, so we can find here. So you can see here na greatest element 9. ओके, तो सबसे बड़ा एलिमेंट क्या है 9 है, तो 9 आ गया ना. तो इसमें से आप यूजिंग सिंपल फॉर लूप यू कैन यूज टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट. मीन्स सबसे बड़ा एलिमेंट इस एरे में कौन सा है. सो 9, so we are finding 9. Okay, so you can we can think, okay, that logic there are so many, there can be so many ways, so many logic to uh, find the greatest element of the array. Okay, so you can write your own logic and you can share in the comment box. Okay, so this is the simple for loop. Okay, we are using, and then we are going to use for in loop. So what do we need to do? We need to change here for. Okay, let I and in. Okay, and here at the array. Okay, so what will be happen here? Let's comment this. Okay, and then you can find console.log. You can find the element. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, So here 0 1 2 3. So that is finding the index number, no? Sorry. So here returning index, no? So here you can find for in loop. Okay, when first element 1, second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that is for in. Okay, and same you can use this logic. Okay, so you can use this logic. What do you need to do like that? Okay, I I is equal to 0 1 2 3. So you can find the greatest element 9. Okay, that is that. I equal to here. I we are not increasing the here, but I there the will index. Okay, so here index will be 0 1 2 3 8 8 ARR length. So console console.log. Let's see that what is coming I. Okay, so let's 0 1 2 3 I 8 8. So I plus 1 I plus 2. So here previous. So here there is no ARI, means ARI 0. Okay, so 0 means 1 greater than 0. Yes, so 1. So then 2 2 greater than 1. Yes, then previous. Okay, and here I plus 1. So that should work now. 0 8 y I 8. We are getting I 8. Okay, and ARR length is 9. Okay, control C here. So this is running. Okay, so 9. Okay, so I is 8. So I plus 1 is equal to ARR dot length. So that should work now. Like previous value we are not getting here. Right, we are getting now. 1 2 3 4 7 8 9. So why that is not coming here? ARR I plus 1 is equal to ARR dot length. So I 0 2 1 2 3 4 8 plus 1. Yeah, we can say I is equal to minus 1. Okay, so that we can find here. No? Okay, so now we can see here that that is executing. So net is very slow. Okay, so now you can see here now greatest element is 9. Okay, so you can find like that. Okay, so we have used simple for loop and now we have used for in loop. Okay, and now let's use for off. Okay, so for in returning index. Okay, but for off it will return the values. Okay, so that we can use directly for off in the array. Okay, so here console console.log. तो हम यहाँ पे आई प्रिंट कराएंगे. आई प्रिंट कराएंगे तो ये वैल्यू we will get the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so now you can find the greatest element. Okay, so what do you need to make a changes using for of loop? I means there are value na. Okay, so here 0. So I greater than previous, then I. Okay, I. So whatever the value would be, I. Okay, so here what condition we need to add, that okay, so we can use some extra variable here so that we can find the index. Okay, so because this, if we are using for of now, so that will not return the index, that will return the value whatever the element is inside in the array, so that value should be returned using for of. Okay, तो for of ये जो भी वैल्यू है ना वही वैल्यू रिटर्न कर रहा है ये, तो हम प्रीवियस एंड देन हम इस कंसोल को, हम अभी ना, अब देखिए मैंने अभी फॉर ऑफ के लिए अंदर लिखा था, अब हम फॉर के बाहर लिख रहे हैं। ठीक है, प्रीवियस अब हम डिफाइन करेंगे ग्लोबल वेरिएबल। ओके, सो हमें ये यूज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा। ठीक है, अब देखिए यहाँ पे प्रीवियस में मिल जाएगा ग्रेटर, ये ना ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट व्हाट इज 9। सो हमने यूज किया सिंपल फॉर लूप एंड फाइंड किया ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट, हमने फॉर इन यूज किया, ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट फाइंड किया, फॉर ऑफ यूज किया, ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट। अब नाउ we need to use for each loop. Okay, so you can think and you can change the logic. Okay, and you can find. Okay, so using for each and while and do while we cannot find the greatest element. Okay, because video is going to too long. Okay, so only we will iterate. Okay, how to use to iterate. Okay, so here here that is for each loop. Okay, so here let's comment and then array dot for each and then function start. Okay, function function ff, and we can add the values. Okay, and then we can, okay, here, so I don't need to add this now because that is for each method. Console console.log x, whatever is that, x or I, whatever that. Okay, so you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here for of is also returning the value, for each also returning the value, but for in and simple for loop you can find the index. Okay, so same you can write the logic here and like that. Okay, this is if previous is equal to here previous x x. Okay, x greater than previous 0, then here x. Okay, I. Okay, and then console here. Okay, so you can find the greatest element. Okay, something is missing here, something is missing. Okay, so you can see here greatest element is 9. Okay, so that simple for loop, for in, for of, for each, and then while loop. Okay, so you can use while loop. Okay, here same, let I is equal to 0. Okay, while while I greater than, okay, arr dot length length. So you can find console console.log arri, okay, and then I plus plus, so that we can create this array. Okay, I 0 greater than, sorry, we have used opposite wrong condition. So here we can find 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so same you can hide na ari greater than, and whatever the logic you can hide, and you can find the array length. Okay, and same we can use for loop, do while loop. Okay, you can use do and then add ari, and then you can start I. Okay, let's see here add. Okay, so here do, okay, and console dot log, okay, I, sorry, a r I, okay, and while while I less than arr dot length. Okay, so you can use like that. So you can get one to, sorry, we haven't added I plus plus na, I plus plus. Okay, so it, you can see here ना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो आपने देखा ना, या आपने देखा कि हमने कितने तरीके से एरे को इटरेट कर सकते हैं, यूजिंग सिंपल फॉर लूप, यूजिंग फॉर इन लूप, यूजिंग फॉर ऑफ, यूजिंग फॉर ईच, यूजिंग व्हाइल लूप, यूजिंग टू व्हाइल लूप. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो हमने ये देखा कि कैसे ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट, सबसे बड़ा एलिमेंट हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ द एरे. ओके, तो सो इफ आपने कुछ वीडियो से सीखा, सो लाइक एंड कमेंट जरूर करें. अगर आपके पास कुछ कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो रिलेटेड टू दैट, ओके, सो यू कैन ऐड इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, सो आई विल डेफिनेटली आंसर ऑन दैट. ओके, सो वीडियो तो बहुत लंबा हो गया, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बट ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय.